How to fix group messages on Messenger is not working on iPhone. So here is what to do. So first of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option of level in there. Again, inside the general, scroll down and tap on the date and time and simply toggle on the set automatically option of level in there and set it to the automatic option. Now again, once done so, go back to the home screen, and once you go back to the home screen, tap on the App Store option available in there. Once you tap on the App Store, in the search address bar, type down Messenger. Then simply tap on the update option available there and update it to the latest version. Now once you have updated the app, then simply try logging in and checking the group messages. But if it still does not work, then all you have to do is try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. So restart your iPhone and log in and check the group messages again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.